This team right here has been sitting here for like 8 minutes, and they just kicked us out. They just ended the whole game, as you guys just saw that. They don't want to play a third map, I guess. And I don't know what's going on. So they were supposed to start it a long time. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I just know that they wouldn't start it, so that's a forfeit. We were sitting there waiting for like 10 minutes. And as you guys can see, that guy was host. He just ended it and refuses to play, so I don't know.